Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by acting fast. Sign into your Google or Apple account on another device so you can use Find My Device or Find My iPhone. Once signed in, trigger a ring and display the device on the map to narrow its area. Make sure the phone's location services were on. If it's nearby, call it and listen for sound. If the map shows movement, note the direction and time so you can plan the next secure steps. Once you have a location window, switch to deeper tools. Check Google Timeline or iCloud's last known position for movement patterns and timestamps. Enable Lost Mode or Activation Lock to prevent use and display a contact number on screen. Change passwords for email, banking, and social accounts to block access. If needed, provide your MA to the carrier to flag the device and request network-level blocking. These steps protect data while you decide whether to retrieve or escalate. To conclude, prioritize safety. If the location seems public, arrange a retrieval in a populated place with someone accompanying you and never attempt a confrontation. If theft is likely, file a police report including MA, timestamps, and screenshots of the map. If recovery isn't possible, perform a remote erase to protect data and confirm account sign-outs. Troubleshooting tip: if the device won't show up, check it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.